Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Cruze LT hatchback, stock number Z9763XX. 20,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report, graphite metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is of course with the backup camera displays. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 29 miles to the gallon and the city average of 38 down the highway. And approximately 65% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification. Protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.